Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the book Modern Physics by Stephen T. Thornton and Andrew Rex. Previously we were following the book Modern Physics by Paul Tipler. But now we are following the book Modern Physics by Stephen T. Thornton and second author is Andrew Rex. Okay, as usual we first come to its statement. Okay, a clock in a spaceship is observed to run at a speed of only 3 by 5 that of a similar clock at rest on Earth. How fast is the spaceship moving? Quite simple. It is just solved by one snapshot, one formula, one expression. Time dilation or dilation. Okay, time dilation. Delta t is equal to delta t naught over 1 minus u square over c square under root, where delta t is the time interval between same events measured in second frame of reference, while delta t naught is proper time between two events measured in rest frame. U is the speed of second frame relative to rest frame, and c is the speed of light in vacuum. Okay, so dear students, we need not to go anywhere else. Our problem is completely solved within the guidelines provided by this snapshot. This snapshot has been chosen from the book University Physics by Young Friedman, Roger. Young Friedman is enough. Okay, University Physics by Young Friedman. This snapshot has been selected or chosen from the book University Physics by Young Friedman, and this only one snapshot is quite sufficient to meet our requirements regarding the solution of this problem. Okay, so within the framework of guidelines provided by this snapshot, we begin our solution in a formal manner. Okay, using delta t equal to delta t naught over 1 minus u square over c square. What we have done, we have just used this formula, this expression. Okay, this implies that if we shift this factor on right hand side, then it will be shifted to numerator. On the other hand, delta t when shifted on other side of equality will become in the denominator. Okay, so we will get 1 minus u square over c square under root equal to delta t naught over delta t. This implies that 1 minus u square over c square is equal to 3 over 5. Okay, dear students, this thing is given in the statement 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is the ratio between delta t naught and delta t. Okay, 3 by 5. In the next step we are taking square of both sides. Okay, when we take square of both sides, then instead of under root 1 minus u square over c square, we will simply get 1 minus u square over c square equal to 9 by 25. In the next step we have shifted u square over c square on other side of equality, due to which it has become positive plus, while 9 by 25 after being shifted on other side of equality becomes negative minus. Okay, so u square over c square becomes equal to 1 minus 9 over 25. We will take LCM 25, and hence 25 minus 9 over 25 equal to 16 over 25. This implies that u square over c square becomes equal to 16 over 25. Both are complete square. A numerator factor is square of 4, while denominator factor is square of 5. Okay, this implies that when we take under root of both sides, we will get u over c equal to 4 over 5. This implies that u is equal to 4 by 5 into c, where c is the speed of light, that is 2.998 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, which we usually take as 3.0 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, and this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.